Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit username on the Frozen City application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the settings icon at the right side of the screen and click to the edit button under the username. And here click to the edit button again and delete this name, write your own name, and if you finish, just click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.